Hello students, today our subject is maths and the chapter is addition within 100. Today we will be doing the reinforcement of addition. Today we will be doing the reinforcement of addition.
Addition within 100. This is the second chapter of mathematics textbook grade 1 and this is the first lesson of this week and the topic is addition of one digit numbers. Addition of one digit numbers. This is the topic for this week and the objectives are to understand one digit addition, to count and add the given objects. Moving ahead with mental starter, let's discuss addition. What is addition? Look at the given picture. An apple is placed and one more is added to it. How many apples in total? 1 and 1. After adding, it makes up 2. So addition is putting things together. Alright children, moving towards the next part of the lesson, that is main activity. We will discuss another example with the same item, that is apples. In this picture you can see 2 apples are placed and 2 more are added to it. You can see the addition sign in between. Yes, this is a plus sign, and after this you have to add these number of apples, 2 apples and 2 apples. The total number of apples are 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you will count and you will write down your answer, the total number of apples. And before the answer, there is a sign of equal to. This sign is called equal to sign. Let's do some more practice regarding addition of one digit numbers. Look at the given picture. If I say you that one bird is flying and 2 more joined in, how many birds are flying all together? You can see a plus sign in between. It means you have to add up the number of birds. How many total number of birds are over here? For this purpose, you know what to do? Yes, you have to count the total number of birds flying. So 1, 2, 3 and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. In total, there are 3 birds flying. Yes, correct. Alright students, let's do some more practice. Look at the given picture. There are strawberries and bananas and you have to count the total number of fruits. Not necessarily each time you have to count the same kind of items. It might be different as well. So 5 strawberries plus 2 bananas. What are the total number of fruits? Count and tell. Yes, 5, 6 and 7. 7 fruits are over here, correct? Let's move towards the main activity, written task. I think that the addition of one digit numbers is no more difficult for you and you can count and write down the total number of given things very easily. So for this purpose you have to do page number 37 of textbook independently. Well, I hope that the written task was not at all difficult. Alright, now let's move towards the wrap-up session. Count and add the given items. 2 pictures are given over here and you can see the addition sign in between. Always remember children that whenever you have to add something, don't forget to place the addition sign. And for writing the answer, you have to put an equal to sign before writing the answer. So, count the hearts. What are the total number of hearts given over here? Count and then add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 7. And the total number of hearts are, yes, 12. Same with the happy faces. Yes, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Very easy. I hope that the topic of addition of one digit numbers is quite clear to you and you are capable enough to handle it yourself. For reinforcement, you have to draw and to write down the total number of the given pictures in your notebook as well, very neatly. So take good care of yourself, take good care about your studies as well.
Now see on page 38. A. First of all, see tens and units. You have to add 44 plus 4. 44 plus 4. So we'll add units first. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Yes, and the 4 tens which is written in the tens, the 4 will remain come down as it is because there is no number to add with it. Okay, so the answer will be 4 8 48. Now look at the B1. You have to add 2 6 plus 3. 2 6 plus 3. First of all, you will add units. 6 plus 3. 6, 7, 8 and 9. 6 plus 3 is? What is 6 plus 3? 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes. And 2 will come as it is. Okay? 2 will come as it is. Again I am explaining you. First we will add units. Then we will add tens. First we will add unit. Then we will add tens. So the answer will be 2 9 29. The answer will be 2 9 29. Okay, we have first add the units, then we have add the tens, but there is no number. Okay, so C, 53 plus 4. 53 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 5 will come down as it is. 5 will come down as it is. So the answer will be 57. The answer will be 57. Now look alphabet D. Now look alphabet D. You have all done this. You will do this in your book, but I have solved in the copy. Okay. Now 84 plus 5. 84 plus 5. 4 plus 5. We have to add 5 with 4. So the answer will be 9. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 8 will come as it is. So the answer will be 68. So the answer will be 68. Good. Now look alphabet E. Now look alphabet E. Now what we have to add? We have to add 91 plus 7. First of all, we'll add units together. So we will add the unit. So the answer is 7 plus 1 is 8. Answer will be 7 plus 1 is 8. And 9 will be adding with which number? No number. So 9 will come as it is down. So the answer will be 98. The answer will be 98. Yes, very good. Okay, so we have done A, B, C, D, E and F. Now we'll come to G. 25 plus 4. 25 plus 4. First we'll add unit again, which is 5 plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 2 will come as it is down. So the answer will be 29. The answer will be 29. Okay. Now look H. Now look H. Tens and unit. 17 plus 2. What will be 17 plus 2? 7 plus 2. 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 1 will come as it is down. So the answer will be 19. So the answer will be 19. What we'll have to do, we'll add the number. First we'll add with the units. Then we'll add with the tens. First we'll add with the units. Then we'll add with the tens. Yes, very good. So all you have done the work. We'll meet next time soon. Till then, take care and do the practice. Thank you. Bye bye.